Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with Hilton. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in lobby.hilton.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Hilton website. Now within the lobby, you can directly enter your user ID in order to log into your employee account. After typing in your user ID that you have set while creating your account, click on enter and you will be asked to enter your password. Just type in your account password and click on the login button and you will be logged into your employee account with Hilton right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with Hilton. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech.